Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove main rotating brush from a Bizzle robot. To do this, first you will need to turn your robot so you can see the brush right here. Then there's two different levers that you can press on. Now click on them both and then pull it towards you. That way you can remove the main brush cover. Now to remove the brush you can try to wiggle it from one side and it should be removed like this. If you want to put it back in, you will need to align it with the square slot and the circle slot. In my case, the circle one needs to go on the right and the square on the left. And I'm gonna start with the square, then the circle. It rotates fine. That means we can insert our cover. It should go in just like that. Then we can press those buttons and it should be inserted. Make sure it rotates well before you actually start add any job for your robot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.